Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today I'm reviewing the LIVALL PikaBoost e-bike conversion kit. This kit offers a tool-free installation, intelligent assistance, and a healthier cycling experience. It has a controller, motorized hub, and battery pack and can easily be mounted between the seat post and the rear wheel without any tools. It's designed to be compatible with most bikes and even road and rental bikes. The PikaBoost also uses the Automatic Adaptive Rate (AAR) technology to detect the terrain and bike speed in real time and adjust the motor power accordingly. The PikaBoost has a maximum range of 30 km and its battery compartment is designed with a modular replaceable 18,650 lithium battery, so you can purchase additional battery compartments to double your range. The PikaBoost also has 3 riding modes: cruise, eco, and exercise, to give you full flexibility and help you achieve a smoother ride. To top it all off, the PikaBoost is also equipped with a Bluetooth lock and a rear light to keep you safe while cycling. If you'd like to get your hands on the PikaBoost, a link for purchase can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching.